stream the first 3 episodes plus episode 0 on our FB and YouTube. And lahat ng episodes from season 1 to 4 ay nandyan din sa FB and our YouTube pages. So yeah. And of course, we're gonna have our 2 upcoming episodes. One special episode regarding Pope Francis and one for the Eurovision Song Contest. So please look forward. And speaking of Eurovision Song Contest, my second song is the Pupi Mutlu song by Laura Farr. It was Luxembourg's entry to the Eurovision Song Contest 2025. In a DJ. Guys, nag-enjoy po ba kayo sa performance ko so far? Yeah, that's good to hear. Thank you very much. And of course, we have our last song for today's Sino from Sabini? Sino blues? Sino blues dyan? Can you guys raise your hands? I know, these 8 girls are our idols too. Kaya naman, for our last song, but before we're gonna do, we can play our last song. So I'm gonna flex your ating socials. Now, don't forget to follow our social pages, which is your Informatica on FB, Instagram, Threads, Blue Sky, and Blue Sky and Threads. So, and then we have Twitter, which is your Informatica podcast, and YouTube, which is your blogger, which is your vlog, and of course, namin, which is God is younger, not me. That's one word. Yan. I'll repeat. Sino dyan ang booms dito? If you guys know this song, sabayan mo ko dahil my last song for this year, hopefully next year, I'm gonna be a fire next year. I'm pretty sure, Showgirls next year. Magpa-perform ko sa POF. So ayun, but for now, for my last song, which is Ikaw Ang Idol Ko, by Vinny. Sabayan mo if you know this song. See, and again, happy 10th anniversary to Pinoy Taco Festival!
Wow, thank you very much. Grabe, galing. Hindi ko na-expect yung vocal niya. Sobrang ano. Ang taas.
Taas na kayo pa.
Kaya ba ba?
Taas ba? So,
How's the experience here at POF?
actually, second time ko daw perform. Yeah. But actually, pero natin talaga ako na-appear for since 2016.
Wow! Grabe!
I feel so old.
Ibig sabihin, natagal mo nang sinusuporta ng Pinoy Taco Festival. That's nice.
That's how long you've been,
Performing.
Diba? That's an achievement.
It's a huge accomplishment, Travis.
Kagabi. Yun sa may Otaku Choice Awards. Kagabi. Kaya
hindi lahat ng tao tayo ginagawa.
Yes, it takes great courage and great guts to be confident and perform on stage. Yeah. Yay!
So,
Wow!
gusto mo i-promote yung social mo sa kanila?
Okay, so again, don't forget to follow my socials on FB, Instagram, Threads, Discord, and Blue Sky, which is your Paramatiki. X is your Paramatiki, it's the podcast. YouTube is Yonachi, Blogger, it's Yona Vlog, and Tumblr, God is your Paramatiki.
Yo, thank you very much. So, once again, please welcome
Yonachi!